Hey guys, Candida here, and while I live in Texas, it doesn't rain often, but when it does, we all like to know how much rain we got. And so here I got this nifty little rain gauge. The white part is actually outside on a pole, so it catches all of the rain, but this part here, it goes inside with me. And so I am able to see how much rain we got for that day. I can also see the temperature, the date, and the time. And so this is very handy. I keep this with me in the kitchen. And then that way I can see what time it is. I am able to see the date, and I also know how hot it is outside. So on days that it's not raining, this is still very, very helpful. I love the fact that it's got the big numbers, so that way I can see it at a glance. So this has been great. I can check the rain, I can check the history, I can even see the highs and lows. And so I love that fact. I'm trying to grow a garden, and so knowing if I need to water or if I need to maybe not water that day, that is very helpful. So if you're looking for a rain gauge, I hope you found this review helpful.